What's up, guys? You're probably wondering what this mess is here on my desk, and it's the Powertac Warrior LT G5. This is a high quality flashlight that fits in the palm of your hand and has several different modes. Popping it on here now that you can control, and the brightness of it is incredible. I was super surprised. What's up, guys? It's Blake from Chasing Creative, and you're probably wondering what this mess is on my desk, but I wanted to quick show you my unboxing on the Powertac Warrior LT G5. It throws extra long light, and it has 3050 max lumens, and so it has a bunch of different modes, which is incredible on it. I'm going to pop it on here and you can see the brightness. And so this hasn't even been charged since I've received it, and it has several different modes that are incredibly bright. I mean, you can see it's washing out the camera there, incredibly bright, and throws it a very long way, the beam. And then it has other modes too, like strobe. So if you're trying to get attention or anything like that, a great high quality item. And at first I was like, wow, this seems kind of pricey. Like, why is it so expensive? But then when you get it in and you see the rechargeable battery, it has this magnetic connector on the back for charging, which is really cool. I've never even actually seen one like this before. So it's probably a little bit proprietary to this actual flashlight. Plugs in with a nice braided corded charger there, charger cord, and it's a rechargeable battery. It's heavy duty, has the on off switch, comes with the clip on here, but then they also send you this like heavy duty resin plastic clip that, like, this thing is not getting busted for the flashlight to actually slide in. I think that's how it goes. I'm not really sure. I haven't tested that out yet, but slides in there, a key ring, and then also a lanyard for you to carry it around. So it's very high quality. And the main thing too is that it has a lifetime warranty. So if anything goes bad on this, you just connect with them and they'll do that. A couple stickers they threw in there as well. But check out the full review and unboxing. I'll be posting that as well, but check it out. I'll send a link here below if you want to get yours.